Your bathroom ceiling fan is an important device in maintaining a good indoor air quality. The ceiling fan evacuates the moisture from the bathroom and therefore removes the chance of molding and rotting in the bathroom, your cabinetry and wooden surfaces, doors, whatever, but also mold can grow in the fabric of drying towels and can grow on the walls as well. So checking out your ceiling fan is fairly straightforward, needs minimal supplies and just a few minutes of your time. In this video I'll show you how it's done. First off, the ceiling fan should work electrically. That means when you flip the switch, the fan should actually turn on. Not only that, it should work without majorly making noises. It should work quietly and efficiently. And this efficiency can be checked out with a sheet of paper, just like something, a copy paper like this. The fan should move enough air to have the paper in place sucked to it. This is how a clean grill looks like. You should be cleaning this grill every so often, say every 3 months. Hair, dander, animal hair, whatever else besides moist air is in the air, it will all be sucked into it. This is how an old fan looks like, and it's okay that if it's rusty, that's not a problem, that's not a deal breaker. Let me just switch it off. So, what are you looking for in it? So first off, like I said, it shouldn't be noisy and it shouldn't be hairy either. It will collect hair everywhere. That should be removed. It's fairly easy to disconnect this thing, unplug it like so from the socket, loosen these 3 screws in the housing like so. That's one of them. There's the second one there and the third one there, and remove it. I'm gonna put it back. One of the reasons that this might rattle is that these mounting screws that I just tightened with a screwdriver that has a very soft, gentle clutch, not an impact screw gun. You can just do it with a screwdriver, handheld screwdriver, just manual, just don't rip the threads out from it. So is that these screws can come loose or whatever, and this whole fan might be just rattling inside the fan housing somehow on this, or on these mounting bolts there. The wire should be intact like this. It could be fuzzy, but it's super easy to take it out. I have a different video on that, just maintaining this. Removing from the fan housing and washing is fairly straightforward. You can wash all of the components when you take it apart. It just has these 2 nuts here to remove. The blade should be turning freely with minimal resistance. Sometimes like it's windy today, maybe the microphone can pick it up enough and you can hear it, that it's windy, howling in the ductwork. Sometimes the wind just moves the blades as is on its own, just like now. So that's good. So the motor shaft in it moves with minimal resistance. It's not going to burn out any of the wires and in this wire coil here. So the wire should be intact like this, not frayed, not charred, not burned, not nicked, not damaged in any way, and mechanically this should be highly efficient like this, working with minimal resistance. So that's basically all there is to it. Fairly straightforward.